Round 2, 14 base consonants. Oh, so we already learned about ah sound, right? Base vowel, ah. So this consonant sounds like G, and then if you attach ah sound, then it became ka. Ka. So its G sound is like a game, gay, G sound, right? Game, ka sound. And the next one, this consonant, it sounds like N sound. So, and you attach this vowel, then it became na. N sound. So it's like name or noon like that. Na. Next one, it is D sound. D. So D-A, it became ta. D sound is like dog. D sound. Ta. And then L sound. L-A. So it became la. It's like light. L sound. L. La. Next one is M sound. M-A. So it became ma. It's like man or moon. M sound. And then pa. B sound. Pa. It's like boy. B sound. Pa. And then S sound. Sa. Like a sun or sea, like sa. And then what? It is just ah. You know, this circle consonant is silent. Okay? Just you can sound only vowel. Ah. Like hour. In this case, there is no sound of H, right? It's just hour. Ah. And then ta. J sound, so ta. It's like jump or joy, J sound, ta. And then ta. Ta is the CH. Ta, like a chair, chair, ta. Or check, te, ta. And then K sound, ka. It's like king or kite, K sound, right? Ka. And then T sound, ta. Is like time or talk. T sound. And then P-A, pa, P sound. Pa. It is like a pen or park. P sound. The last one is about H. Ha sound. H. Ha. It is like a head or hello. H sound.